All right, hi guys. Phil here again. And today this video is made for anyone who's a total beginner or fairly beginner to strumming. This is going to be a play along video. I'm going to start really basic and I'm going to start changing the rhythms a little bit as we go. And that's going to build up some coordination for you. So if you want to play along with this video over and over again, that's a really great workout for your rhythm. And then on your own, you can try different strumming patterns as well, and you can just keep exploring. Rhythm is everything. It's like the most important thing you can get good at. Keeping time is so important. So let's just get into it. Speaking of strumming, we're thinking of a little bit of arm and a little bit of wrist. Just gently dragging your pick up and down towards the floor. Keep it simple. See what feels best for you. And let's try it out. I'm also blocking the strings with this hand, just so that we don't have to hear anything. We're just working on our rhythms. If you want to add a chord, you can too. Okay, so watch this. My counting is going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just join it. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Make the downs feel just as relaxed and comfortable as the ups. So there's our start. Now, your arm is going to keep moving the entire time. That's our main strumming rule. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Down on the main beats and up on the ands. And what we're going to do to change our rhythm is we're going to start skipping some strums. So check this out. Down, 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 down. So I'm skipping all the ups. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Just join in. 2 and 3 and 4 and. This should feel fairly simple, but it's going to get trickier as we move along. It's still great practice. Okay, now we're going to change this up a little bit. Now we're going to just do the ups. This is going to feel a little stranger. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You don't have to count. That's bonus points, but super useful. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'm going to pause there for just a sec. So what you just did was every motion that you need to know. We can strum down, we can strum up, we can skip it down, we can skip it up. For now, that's pretty much it. And if your arm is moving the entire time, the only difference between strumming patterns is which strums you skip. If you think of it like that, you're always going to be in time. Your arm is acting like your metronome. So now we're going to mix this up a little bit and we're actually going to try some rhythms. Now I'm going to do this with the counting. Some people like just saying down and up. You can do that as well. So watch this. Just try and follow along. I'll stick with each rhythm for a little while. You can always go back in the video and repeat it over and over as much as you want. And then I'll try a different rhythm for you. We'll just cycle through a few of them for practice. So here's our first one. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Pay attention to which counts I'm skipping. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and mix it up a tiny bit. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and let's mix it up again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 now try this one. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 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 2 and 3 and one last one for this video. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 there we go. Play through it, try different rhythms. The second last one happened to be the world's most popular strumming pattern. Super important. Try it out, master it, and you want to be able to do this completely mindlessly. So just do this over and over again until it comes out very naturally. And that lets you concentrate on the real hard stuff, which is going to be your left hand. So try that out. If you like this stuff, give me a like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and check out my awesome store. Take some lessons, whatever you like to support the channel. I'm here to help you as much as I can. Have an amazing day. I'll see you next time.